Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal in AliExpress. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here in this video, we're just going to follow this wise article. And basically from here, we can learn if it is possible to use PayPal on AliExpress. And as you can see here, uh, currently you can't use PayPal to pay for AliExpress purchases, but this payment method is only available for some countries, such as the UK, US, Saudi Arabia, and the United Emirates, Arab Emirates, and Spain, Portugal, Germany, and all those countries. And basically, if the seller isn't in these countries, you won't be able to start paying from, or if you're not from these countries or your account is not from these countries, you won't be able to pay with PayPal. And even if you are able to use PayPal, you would need to have the seller to enable PayPal into their seller account. That means you will need to check first for the seller offer if it has PayPal as a checkout method or as a payment method. So you can simply go to AliExpress and basically you will be needing to go to any offer or any products, and basically let's go for this one, and then you will need just to go uh, to any product. Let's just click on this one and we will be needing to buy now, and by clicking here we will be able to see all the payments method. So I'm just going to click buy now, and as you can see it's AliExpress, and basically those are the cards that are available for these payments methods, and there is no PayPal here. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.